The reason Doc won't load is because of this. The front end of this 2012 Yukon just, it looks dumb. And that's what the dog's thinking. He's always been kind of a smart ass. Just take a look at these pedigrees. Anyway, I'm gonna call Jimmy, my buddy, call sign Crusher.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Yeah, Jimmy Duke here. Are you busy?
No. I'm about 22 clicks up the Name River. I'm spraying napalm. What the hell do you want?
So where in the hell are the adjusting bolts for the headlights on that Yukon I own?
Yeah, you remove the two screws inside the fender well. You pull the bumper skirt to you and down, and you will see the headlight adjusting bolt. Mayday.
So it sounds like Jimmy's having some technical. I thought I'd run up to the burn center and check on old laser level Glick. It was pretty obvious that he wasn't going to be helping me on any segments anytime soon. Reminded me of a chimpanzee begging for his life. Kind of like our president looks every time he threatens Russia from the podium. I figured it was time to quit stalling and put in the new headlights and grills so the dog wouldn't have any reason to not go on a road trip. Oh, brother. This ain't coming off of here like I thought. Got her that time. So I don't know if you can see this, but these holes here, here, and here, the new grill clip on that, which is attached to this piece of styrofoam, which is held in by these plastic screws. Here, and here. A lot of money for plastic and styrofoam. I'm just gonna mock this GMC logo up here and see what it looks like. And with maybe the headlight. Yeah, I'm gonna paint that emblem satin black. Wiring these headlights is pretty standard. If you can't figure it out, it's just plug and play, for crying outside. With the front end of the vehicle meeting his approval, he loads into the executive lounge. He likes it so much, I've got to try to lure him with a pail of chicken and a biscuit. Once he gets a whiff of the biscuits, he decides maybe he should come out of the vehicle. Don't take it personal, Doc. Chicken and a biscuit have the same effect on me.